It's running like water, running like water, as you can see. Wow, what's that? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, if you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know how we do it. If you have not subscribed, please do go ahead and hit the subscribe button and as well hit the notification bell, so with that you're notified when I have a new video on my channel. With that being said, thank you. Oh baby girls, what's up? Mama is back with another video that might interest you, maybe. Our fingers crossed. Okay, by the title you already know what we are going to be doing. I'm going to be reviewing / first impression on this Decay Stay Weightless Foundation up to 24 hours wear. Okay, this one right here to do all my things. Okay, it came out quite some minute, but I grabbed it for quite some minute, but I decided to take some minutes to do the video. I have a 70 WR, which is dark natural. I already threw the package away, and yeah, to combine with these two products right here, this is the first one, this is the second one. This one I always use in summer because it's super lightweighted, but this one is also very lightweighted, but the consistency is more thicker than this one, so you can always make your way out when you use this, when you have a blemishes or dark circles on your face, when you have a breakout, you're Gucci baby girl. This one right here is not going to give you that really coverage that you want. If you're that person who don't really like too much coverage, but you still want your face to look put together, this you can always make your way out because the consistency is just booming. I love this foundation. Reason being, the shade is so perfect. It's like it was made for me, period. And yeah, it's not so bad. It's not so bad like people rave about it. Do not let anybody tell you anything. Try something before you go ahead and judge. Okay, so yeah, without any further ado, if you're interested, you want to see how the foundation feel on my skin and how I feel about it while applying it, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy, and please let me know what you think in a comment section below, period. Okay, so enjoy. Table, so my face is already moisturized off camera. I'm going to go straight ahead and prime my face. I'm going to use just one primer today. I don't want to go too way above when it comes to this, you know. But firstly, I'm going to be needing a serum. I'm going to be taking this Olay Truth Skin Serum, this one right here. I'm just going to apply this, reason being I want my primer to have something to stick with, so that is the reason why I'm using this serum. Let me shake it first because I've not used it for a minute. Oops, that is the reason why I had to be careful when I'm pressing it out, because it just split all over the place. So I'm just going to basically apply that on my cheeks and on my chin, and yeah, and a little bit on my nose. I'm just going to use my hand to tap that all over my skin. Last time I used this primer, it has been a minute. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Step Skin Equalizer, Step 1 Skin Equalizer primer, right there, and right here. So I'm just going to rub that all over my face. I'm not doing too much because we are doing a first impression of foundation, so I don't want to do too much based before we go in with the main deal, you know. So I'm going to be applying the foundation. Firstly, I'm going to shake it. We are going to be doing a combination right here. We are just going to be doing a test. So I'm just going to apply that because this is a weightless foundation, as you can see. So it's weightless, you can see that, weightless, and it's a very beautiful shade, as you can see, dropping. The one I have, which one is more watery, more light? I believe it's the old one is more light because this one has a little bit of coverage, as I can see, even if I've not applied it on my face. You see what I mean? So you see what I mean? This one have more thick consistency. This one is too watery, as you can see. So this one runs faster than this because this one has more thick consistency, if that makes sense. You can see the shade as well. This one is more warm and this one is more on the I don't know how to say it. This one is more on the reddish tone. This one is warm caramel, and why this one is giving me that kind of a peachy dark peachy effect, if that makes sense. Yeah, as you can see on my skin. So this foundation is going to be perfect for me in winter. I can tell you, so far so good. In winter, where this one is perfect for summer, because in summer I'm more darker, so this one is going to give me that, you know, beautiful warm look in winter. Yeah, so let's go ahead and apply this. I'm going to wipe this off my hands, taking this mouthing brush right here. The reason why I'm using this brush, because it's not going to soak in too much product. I don't want to lose product, so I'm just going to pack that shade right here. Pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it. And it doesn't have that much perfume. When it comes to foundation, I don't like, or I don't love when it have much scent to it. And so far so good. I'm feeling that this foundation is a little bit on the dry side. It's on the dry side. What do you guys think? What do you think? And for the coverage, like I said, it covers a lot. It covers a lot. And as you can see, a little bit goes a long way, even if it was 1 pump or 2 pump. Despite the foundation is in a light weight side, but still cover a lot. It still cover a lot. I don't have that really problematic skin or dark circles that I need to cover, but still it covers my own natural skin, as you can see. Yes. Wow, this is a perfect match for me. Perfect match, guys. Your face like this without you applying a powder before you go in with your highlighting contour, but if you want, but this is not how I roll. Okay, this is not how I roll. So far so good. Wow, I can really cover my face with 2 pump or 1 pump. Do I use 1 pump? I can't remember. Anyways, whatever. Makeup general, I don't wear makeup no less than 7 hours, only when I am in a place that I cannot really get rid of my makeup, because there will come a time after 6-7 hours I really want to breathe. Okay, I want to take off my makeup and I want to feel alive again. I'm here to tell you, but I'm going to leave it maybe 2-3 hours, then we see how, or before I finish the rest of my face, then let's see how it's going to absorb into my skin, if it's going to start oiling or oxidizing. It's really amazing. Wow, is this a full coverage foundation or weightless foundation? Let me read again. Weightless liquid foundation, lasts till 24 hours wear, which I don't really do. And it's also resting stay. Okay, stay. It's a lightweight foundation, lightweighted foundation, and still you can see the coverage is not a baby joke. Like seriously, like I'm like shook. I'm like shook because I didn't expect it that much. When it comes to the first foundation from Naked Skin by Decay, this one has also coverage, but it's not so full like this one I just used, because this one is perfect for summer and it feels super lightweight as well. And this one is really lightweighted, but still the coverage is not a baby joke, like I just said. As you can see, my whole face is really, I didn't do any color correcting because I don't really 95% I don't do color correct. Like only maybe sometimes when I have a breakout around my jawline area, or when somebody come and beat my pimple, because there are some people, they cannot just see any pimple on my face, they want to beat it like an animal, like seriously. So it's only then I know I need maybe color correct, or sometimes around my mouth area like I just said. But other than that, I don't do color correct. Okay, I don't need it. Super obsessed. So I'm going to do the rest of my face: eyebrow, highlights, popping, foundation, putting in place, period. Then I'll be right back to show you the finished look of this foundation, because the foundation is a base for the other product. Yeah, anyways, just stick around and comment and subscribe if you have not before I get back. See you. So far so good. I'm loving my face the way it looks like I'm really obsessed with this foundation. Let me just quickly tell you only one thing I don't like about this foundation. Don't go for me. I speed out the tea as always, period. So the only thing I don't like about this foundation, when you apply it on your skin, it dries super fast, so you cannot really take time to blend it. So when you're blending, you need to be fast. That's the only thing. Any further ado, like my mama always say, don't forget to do what makes you happy, stay pretty and stay blessed. And remember, don't ever anybody, it doesn't want it, period. Take care of your child. Mwah.